apology most certainly from Uday Bhan. A similar stance as was taken by Kalyan Banerjee as well. Everybody coming out to say from the opposition camp that, mimicry is no offense, so it should not be taken wrong.
Absolutely, we have seen that how the Haryana Congress president has justified his statement. He said that I haven't done anything wrong, I haven't spoken anything wrong, and he has completely refused to apologize for the controversial remark which is being made by Uday Bhan regarding the Vice President of India. He said that mimicry is not an offense. Many of the other leaders have also done mimicry within the parliament. He has mentioned about the former speaker Meera Kumar. He said that even Meera Kumar was also being mimicked. He also mentioned about Prime Minister Narendra Modi saying that he had also mimicked Rahul Gandhi, and even some kind of controversial remarks were also being made against Sonia Gandhi. So by that matter, he has justified his statement which he has given regarding the Vice President of India. He said that such kind of constitutional positions are there, but the Vice President doesn't take oath of one particular community. He takes oath for the Constitution, and I am not going to apologize. So that is a stand which is being taken by the Haryana Congress President Uday Bhan. However, we would also like to mention that this is not the very first time when Haryana Congress President Uday Bhan has made such kind of a controversial remark. Earlier also we have seen that how he had given a statement against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and this time he has said something which is related to the Vice President of India. He has given a statement in Jind yesterday in which he had said that झुका हुआ जाट और टूटी हुई खाट किसी के काम नहीं आते हैं. So that is a kind of remark which has come on the part of the Haryana Congress.
Using this phrase झुका हुआ जाट किसी के काम नहीं आता है, hasn't Uday Bhan really tried to once again bring in Jagdeep Dhankar's caste as opposed to what was suggested by Mallikarjun Kharge? And that suggestion actually was for Jagdeep Dhankar, asking him not to bring in the caste angle. But that's what his neta is doing now.
Well, absolutely, and that is why we have also asked him whether he feels that he has said something wrong, whether he would apologize for his statement. But for that matter, he has completely refused to apologize for the remark which he has made related to the Vice President of India. He said that a Vice President is a position where a person doesn't take oath of a particular community. He takes oath of the Constitution, and those should apologize who doesn't respect the Constitution of India. So that is a stand which is being taken by the Haryana Congress President Uday Bhan regarding